If you have a tablet and want the most high-tech stand that's ever been made, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. A lot of us have tablets, whether it's something like this cheap Android tablet or an iPad. For those of you that are living the good life, or maybe an Amazon Fire tablet, there are a lot of times that you want your tablet up front and center. In fact, you can use an iPad as a separate display to your laptop or your MacBook Air or to your Mac Mini or iMac. And there are lots of times that you want to have something like this up for video conferencing or training or trade show or consuming your favorite television show or a YouTube channel that you just sit around making fun of. And I picked up this stand. Now, at a glance, this may look like every other tablet stand out there. If you want to have your iPad up and work out to one of your Sworkit routines, well, then you can do that. But this tablet stand is so much more. So let's unbox it and let me show you what I mean. All right, so here's the INVZI MagHub 3, but this is an 8-in-1 USB-C docking station for a tablet. And that's what makes us so different. I think the quality of this stand will probably be as good as any tablet stand you have ever seen, but it's really the feature set of it that makes it so much more useful than just a stand. It really almost takes the tablet that you have and turns it into a workstation extension. Now, I want to show you here, it does actually come with a USB-C cable right here. So if you have a Thunderbolt port, you can just kind of plug this in and it's going to get power right away, and you are going to be able to distribute that power to lots of different devices. Man, this is heavy, sturdy, and beautiful. I will tell you what, this looks like an Apple product, which is to say that is a compliment, because it actually has that kind of blue, I don't know what they call it, midnight, like anodized look there. It just looks fantastic. It has a ton of weight here on the base. Regardless of what kind of tablet you have, I don't feel like it's going to fall over. You can see the scissor mechanism here. We have almost, I think this is like a vinyl, but it looks like a leather insert on the side. So you can see that on both sides. Super nice. We get the clamp up here for the tablet. This is all rubber in there, so you don't have to worry about any marring. And you can see the little edges there have a little flare on the outside. So it will clamp in your tablet and then hold it in place. You can see how wide it gets here. So it expands out, will clamp in, and then you can twist it like this if you are looking for something horizontal, and then maybe portrait, and you can just twist it like that. The other thing I want to mention is if I flip over to the side here, you can see the little hot dog shapes there. And those are magnets, I believe. So if you have an Apple Pencil, then you can just stick it right there. So you'll always have it if you're using this like a Wacom tablet, or you want to take some notes on it, or just make sure that you don't lose your pencil. You can have it right there, which is pretty cool as well. And you can see that it articulates like this, so you can have it kind of facing either direction. I would say that obviously if you want to extend this thing vertically, that's standing probably about 15 inches tall right there. So you could absolutely have this standing up and being like a second monitor. So, you know, maybe they didn't give you a second monitor at your office. Now you got one because you got your iPad with you. Maybe you travel a lot. You could take this thing with you and set it up to hold your iPad up as a second monitor. Just at any big desk. Why not just have it up and watch your YouTube videos on it? Now, here's what I wanted to show you is that on the back here, right? So we could take this, and I could take this USB cord and plug that in here. And then I could plug that into the computer. And now we have all these other ports here. So I have USB-C, USB 3.0, headphone jack, SD-TF card slot, and an HDMI port right there, which is really awesome. So now I could charge other things. I can run this cable up to here and plug it into the iPad to make sure that it's getting power. I could run this to an outlet here, and that would ensure that my iPad doesn't die on me while I'm using it. So really, really cool. So let's just get this set up and see if it works. All right, so I have the tablet set up here, and I've got it set on my third or fourth favorite YouTube channel. But I've got it playing here because I want to show you. First of all, I can rotate it any way I want, but I like it like this. And I want to give you some insights here. So the first and the obvious one I mentioned is that we have all those ports back there, so I can plug in other things. I could charge my iPhone. I could charge my AirPods right there. So I have lots of expandability right there, okay? So that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing I want to show you here is that this is the cord, this black cord is what I've got plugged into power. And then the plug on this side, I could run up to my tablet and plug it in. Now I have just a standard USB-C cord here because I want to show you the cord that they include. So it has like these L connectors on the end, and on this one right here, might be a little hard to see, that there is an on-off switch right there. So I didn't realize that. So it's off or on. And I was thinking, well, that's pretty clever because I can turn the power on or off to it. But what I was actually thinking, the real value of this is if I have it plugged into, say, something like an iPad, and then I have this connected pass through to my Mac. And so it's connected or syncing. And in some cases, I don't want that. I could just turn it off, right? And then I could have it connect on demand without having to unplug it to disconnect it or share signal or use it as an extended monitor. Okay. So this little plug is actually pretty cool. I kind of wonder if they just sell something like this with a little power switch on it so that you can just get something like this, because that's pretty nifty. Now, the other thing I want to show you here is I've got it set up like, I don't know, 110 degrees. And this is kind of a perfect angle for me to be able to watch and consume something while I'm sitting here watching and consuming there. But the thing I really love about this is that I can move this guy out of the way, just kind of like this, and put it down here. And the reason that this is really nice is because when I'm doing presentations or trainings or meetings, I like usually having a PDF or my presentation or a resource here or a web page or something like that I'm referencing. And now I can push it down here and have it out of the way. And so it's not showing up in the camera. It's not distracting me. I can just kind of glance down at it. I can do that. And then if I push it back like this, I can actually use like a tablet. And I mean like a pen on a tablet and write on it. But more than that, what I realized is if I extend my computer to this as a monitor and then I turn on drawing, I can just use my finger, highlight things, move things around. It's a lot easier to do it here than to grab my mouse and do it up here in some ways. So what I really like about this, and I was trying it this afternoon with my buddy, is that I could just sketch stuff out on here and he can see it. And it's way easier to do that with my finger than a mouse. And we're able to collaborate virtually in a way that I wouldn't be able to do normally. So I actually am really digging this. It is nice and weighty. It works with this tablet. It'll work with your iPad. It'll work with smaller tablets. It'll work with larger tablets. And so if you're looking for something that is super high quality, that has the expandability to charge a ton of different stuff here, I would recommend picking up this tablet holder hub. It is pretty clever. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.